Your iPhone isn't just a phone, it could literally save your life. Hidden inside iOS are powerful SOS features that most people don't even know exist until it's too late. Let's talk about the iPhone SOS tricks that could save your life. Trick 1. Emergency SOS Shortcut. If you ever find yourself in danger, hold the side button and either volume button at the same time. Keep holding, and your iPhone will automatically call emergency services. You'll feel a vibration, hear a siren, and see a countdown on the screen. If you can't speak or unlock your phone, this gesture does everything for you. It also automatically sends your current location to your emergency contacts. Even if your GPS was off, that one move could be the difference between help arriving or not. Trick 2. Medical ID on lock screen. Go to Health app, Medical ID Edit. Here you can add your blood type, allergies, medications, and emergency contacts. Now, if something happens to you, anyone can tap Emergency Medical ID on your lock screen without unlocking your phone. It gives first responders critical information instantly. Simple but life-saving. Trick 3. Crash detection and fall detection. If you own an iPhone 14 or newer, this one's next level. If your phone detects a car crash or a hard fall, it automatically asks, "Are you okay?" If you don't respond within seconds, it dials emergency services on its own, sending your exact location. It's the same technology used in Apple Watch, motion sensors, and microphones listening for impact. And yes, it's already saved real lives. Trick 4. Share your live location, even without signal. Open messages, contact, info, share my location. You can share your live position for a set time, perfect when you're hiking, traveling, or walking home late. And with iPhone 14 satellite SOS, even if you lose cell signal, you can text emergency services via satellite. Just point your phone to the sky and follow the on-screen arrows. That's right, no signal, no problem. This feature has already saved stranded hikers in Alaska and car crash victims in remote areas. Your iPhone is more than just a gadget. It's a survival tool designed to protect you when things go wrong. But it only helps if you know how to use it. So take 2 minutes today, set up your medical ID, enable emergency SOS, and add your emergency contacts. Because one day, it might just save your life or someone else's.
Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.